You're doing everything right. Smoothies, salads, cutting sugar. But the scale won't budge. What if I told you there's a healthy food you eat almost every day that's secretly making you gain weight? This food is praised by influencers, packaged with buzzwords like low-fat, organic, or keto-friendly. But it spikes your insulin, wrecks your gut, and stores fat like crazy. Let's break it down, and I'll show you what to eat instead to actually start losing weight. The truth is, most so-called healthy snacks are packed with refined oils, hidden sugars, and sneaky carbs that raise your blood sugar just like candy. You feel full for a moment, but your energy crashes, cravings return, and your body stores fat. Even this innocent almond milk, many brands are loaded with gums, additives, and 7 grams of sugar per cup. I used to start my mornings with a smoothie bowl, almond milk, granola, and some fruit. Thought I was crushing it, but I was bloated, tired, and not losing a pound. Then I cleaned up my ingredients. No more hidden sugar bombs. Switched to whole foods. And finally, my body started responding. Here's what I do now. Unsweetened coconut or cashew milk, eggs, avocado, or Greek yogurt for breakfast. Your body craves simplicity, not marketing hype. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button and share it with a friend still eating healthy junk. Subscribe for real health without the BS.